So in this video I'm going to show the performance of a new type of data set, a new model that I trained on a new type of data set. So the difference between this data set and the previous data set is that now other than changing the hand in here, I'm also changing the color of the pen the hand is holding. So it's not so other than, I mean, everything else is the same. Background is changing, lighting is changing, and all those stuff. The only difference is that the pen color in here, that is also changing. Let me start it again, maybe to see it better. So you will see that the pen is changing, the color is changing in here. Previously the color was specified in two different colors. Okay, so the reason behind doing this is that when I'm trying to track a cutlery pen, there are different types of models with different colors. So my hypothesis was that if I made the data set look as if that the pen can change colors, then the model might be more adjustable or more robust to change in color of the object that the hand is holding. So I trained on, I think, 60,000 images. Let me just check. So yeah, so I trained on 6,000 images, 2K test images. The range of the camera from the object was 30 to 150. So I trained, I think, about 60 epochs, and this is how the loss curve looks like in here. Let me see if I have the this is for HC4. So these are the average. This is the epoch, and sorry, this is the epoch. This is the average training loss for each epoch and average stress loss for each epoch. It basically saturates around, I think, 40.64 in here, and basically stays almost the same 0.60 in here. Anyway, so I'm using the 60th epoch in here, which gives an average test loss of 0.0062. So let me run the model. Right now I'm holding a pen, not just a regular pen like this. Sorry about that. So these are sort of the aprons the surgeons will be wearing when using these things. So here I'm testing the HC4 model. Now I'm going to wear a glove. Let me just, no, it's not wear the glove. Let me just show you the performance compared to HC60. 60 epoch for version 1. This is my first model which I trained on just changing hand colors dataset. The pen's color was not changed in this weight, in this dataset for this weight. So I'm going to compare it with this thing. So again, I'm going to hold only the pen. I'm not going to use the actual cutlery pen. So as you can see, still it is able to detect. No, absolutely no problem. Although it does seem a little bit off. So this was the version 1 for HC1, and I'll just test version 2 of HC1 as well. So version 2 was that for HC1 I used 60,000 images in here. For version 1 I used only 10,000 images. That's much more stable. So my point is in here is that it doesn't matter. I don't really need to change the color of the object that I'm holding in the dataset because it looks fine. So that was my point. So I do not need to change my data set I don't think I need to. I don't need to change the pen color like this. The current data set where only the hand color changes but the pen color is constant, and that is just fine. But I needed to test with that, and it was a good experience. Thank you for checking out the video.